Do you have an amazing post in BeReal and would like to share it to your contacts or other social media accounts? Maybe you have friends who do not yet have the BeReal app, but can't wait for them to have one and would like to share your post. Well, let me tell you how. First, open up the BeReal app. Click onto your latest post, and then on the top right, you can see the share icon. The share icon are 3 dots with connected lines. Go ahead and click on the share icon. You will be given options on whom or to which social media accounts to share. This will allow you to share your latest post to your friends, your loved ones, and also those whom you are excited to share to. Well, I hope that this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support this channel.